Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shaws Crochet. Today we are going to see how to crochet this triangle shawl using the granny square. So for this project I have taken here Himalaya Super Soft yarn, which is 100% acrylic. It has 200 gram yarn in yards, 359 yards, and they recommend 5 mm hook size. So I have taken here 5 mm hook size. You can choose any of the yarn, whatever you have, you can take it and you can start the project. So let us start this project. So we will start this project with the slip stitch. And we'll make one chain, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we are going to do the slip stitch into the very first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 into the fifth one or the first one. Insert the hook and pull the yarn through this. Now we are going to make chain 1, 2, 3, 4. This we will consider as a double crochet plus chain 1. Yarn over. Into this we'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, and then the third double crochet. Now we are going to make chain 3. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over. Into this again a double crochet. Here we have just made the peak for the triangle shawl. Now chain 1, yarn over. We are going to make a double crochet into this third chain. From here we can see 1, 2, 3 into the third chain. We'll insert the hook and make a double crochet. So we got here chain 1 space, here also chain 1 space, here chain 3 space. Let's start the project. Insert the hook into the very first double crochet. Make 1 single crochet. Insert the hook into this loop. Make 1 single crochet. Again into this, insert the hook and pull the yarn. Make 1 single crochet. Again insert the hook into this and make 1 single crochet. So here we made 1 double crochet plus 1 chain. If you want to continue with the chain, you can make it, but I prefer this method. Yarn over. Into this space we'll make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. We made here 3 double crochet. Chain 1, yarn over. Into this chain 3 space we'll make chain 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, same like the previous row, 3 chain, and to the same 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3. Again chain 1, yarn over. Into this space we'll make 3 double crochet, same like here. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, yarn over. Into this third chain, 1, 2, 3, we'll make 1 double crochet. So here we made 1 double crochet chain 1, 3 double crochet chain 1, 3 double crochet 3 chain, 3 double crochet into the same space, and then here we are making 3 double crochet chain 1, 1 double crochet. Now let's turn the project. Into the very first, like before, we are going to make 3 chains plus 1 chain, or 3 single crochets plus 1 single crochet. Okay, again into this we will make 3 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, chain 1, yarn over into the space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, yarn over into this, 3 double crochet, chain 3, again 3 double crochet, chain 1, into the space we'll make 3 double crochet. It's a very easy pattern, even the beginner can crochet this one. Nothing to learn here more than 3 double crochet, chain 1, into this space again we are going to make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the third space, chain, we'll make 1 double crochet. See, this started to form the shape of a triangular. Then again one more row, I'll show you how to do this. Into the very first we'll make 1 single crochet, insert the hook into the second one, make 1 single crochet, like this we'll make 4, and then yarn over until the same space we'll make 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and then again chain 1, into this 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, here into this chain 3 space, always an increase, so 3 double crochet, 2, 3 double crochet, chain 3, yarn over into this 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into this 1, 2, 3, again chain 1, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the space, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3, chain 1, into the space we'll make 1 more double crochet. So let me continue few more rounds of the same pattern and I'll get back. For you guys, if you want to make it for the bigger size or for the adult size, just repeat the same pattern and until you get the desired size for the project. So here I have finished totally 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 rows. Now I'm going to show you how to close this project. Here we made the double crochet, so let's make into this 1 single crochet and then into this 1 more single crochet, into this point 1 single crochet, and then here we have the chain. Let's make into this 1 single crochet, into this point 1 single crochet, and inside we'll make 2 single crochet, into this point we'll make 1 single crochet, Again, into this space we'll make 2 single crochet, 1, 2, and into this stitch 1 single crochet, again into this 2 single crochet, 1, 2, into this 1 single crochet, again into this 2 single crochet, 1, 2, into this point 1 single crochet, 1, 2, 1, again 1, 2, into this 1, 1, 1, 2, into the space 1, 1, 2, here 1, and then last we have 1, 2, and into the third one 1. So we have done the first row. If you want, you can do 2 rows of single crochets. I'll just turn this into the very first, make 1 single crochet, and then into each single crochet 1 single crochet. You could see here the space, so insert the hook into this, make 1 single crochet into each single crochet. Into the very last stitch we'll make 1 single crochet. So now we have made the border as well. Now this excess yarn we can hide it using this hook. We'll pull through these loops. And then here we'll snip off this yarn. It's the same like before, we'll hide along with this chains.